The SEC's case against Ripple and its executives, alleging that they conducted a $1.3 billion unregistered securities offering by selling XRP, is one of the most important legal battles in the crypto industry. The outcome of this case will have significant implications for the future of crypto regulation in the US and beyond. The SEC claims that XRP is a security, which means that it is a tradable financial instrument that represents an ownership stake in an entity or a claim on its future profits. Securities are subject to strict rules and regulations by the SEC, which aim to protect investors and ensure fair and transparent markets. The SEC argues that XRP meets the criteria of a security based on the Howey test, which is a four-part test that determines whether an investment contract is a security. The Howey test asks whether there is an investment of money in a common enterprise, with a reasonable expectation of profits to be derived from the efforts of others. According to the SEC, XRP satisfies all these elements because Ripple and its executives raised funds through the sale of XRP to investors. The investors pooled their money with Ripple and shared the risks and rewards of the enterprise. The investors expected to profit from the increase in the value of XRP, which depended on Ripple's efforts to develop, promote and enhance the XRP ledger and its use cases. The investors relied on Ripple's managerial and entrepreneurial skills to achieve their profit expectations. The SEC also accuses Ripple and its executives of making false and misleading statements about XRP, its utility and its regulatory status, which influenced the market price and demand for XRP. The SEC alleges that Ripple and its executives violated federal securities laws by selling XRP without registering it as a security or obtaining an exemption from registration. Ripple and its executives deny the SEC's allegations and contend that XRP is not a security, but rather a digital asset that serves as a medium of exchange and a store of value. They argue that XRP does not meet the criteria of the Howey test because XRP was not sold as an investment contract, but as a decentralized cryptocurrency that can be used for various purposes. XRP holders do not have any ownership stake or claim on Ripple or its profits. XRP holders do not depend on Ripple's efforts for their profits, but on their own trading decisions and market forces. XRP holders do not rely on Ripple's managerial or entrepreneurial skills, but on the independent validators who run the XRP ledger. Ripple and its executives also claim that they have been transparent and cooperative with regulators and that they have never received any clear guidance from the SEC on how XRP should be classified. They argue that the SEC's lawsuit is arbitrary, unfair and harmful to the crypto industry and innovation. The case is currently pending before Judge Annalisa Torres of the Southern District of New York, who will decide whether to grant summary judgment to either side or send the case to trial. The verdict will set a critical precedent for how crypto assets are regulated in the US and could affect the fate of many other crypto projects and platforms. Ripple's defense that XRP is not a security and that the SEC has overstepped its authority. One of the main arguments that Ripple and its executives have made in their defense is that XRP is not a security, but a digital asset that has utility and value independent of Ripple's efforts. They claim that XRP is used by many entities and individuals around the world for various purposes, such as cross-border payments, remittances, and decentralized applications. They also argue that XRP holders do not have any legal or financial interest in Ripple Labs, the company that provides the infrastructure for XRP transactions. Therefore, they say, XRP does not meet the criteria of an investment contract under the Howey test, which requires an investment of money in a common enterprise with profits to come solely from the efforts of others. Another argument that Ripple and its executives have made is that the SEC has overstepped its authority and violated due process by bringing this lawsuit against them. They contend that the SEC has failed to provide clear and consistent guidance on how it regulates cryptocurrencies, and that it has applied a retroactive and arbitrary standard to XRP. They point out that the SEC has not taken any enforcement action against other similar cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, which the agency has deemed to be non-securities. They also claim that the SEC has caused significant harm to XRP holders and the broader crypto industry by creating uncertainty and confusion in the market. In summary, Ripple and its executives have defended themselves by challenging both the factual and legal basis of the SEC's allegations. They have asserted that XRP is not a security, but a digital asset with intrinsic value and utility. They have also accused the SEC of exceeding its jurisdiction and violating their constitutional rights by bringing this lawsuit against them. They have asked the court to dismiss the case or grant them a summary judgment in their favor.